Vectors 2, we have a diagram here. This is vectors. We want to work out the following questions that we have been given. So the first one reads, given that OA is vector A and OB vector B expressed in terms of A and B, AN expressed in terms of A and B, AN Roman 2, it is BM, BM. So these arrows, they tell us on which direction we are supposed to move. This is the forward direction. This other arrow tells us that we are moving like this. When you move like this, you are moving in the forward direction. When you go against, remember to use a negative. When you go against the arrow, remember to use a negative. And also these are divisions that we have, or fractions. Now, for us to be able to work AN, we need to ask ourselves, how can you move from A all the way to N? You discover that you have to use this route. You have to go against the arrow. Like I said earlier, when you go against the arrow, you use a negative. So from A to N, you will have to follow this route by saying AN, you go against the arrow, so it is going to be AO plus and then ON of the whole line. The whole line is OB. Very important. What is AO? It is negative A plus, what is ON? It is 4/5 vector B. We are done with that one. What about BM? How can you move from B all the way to M? For one to move from B to M, you will have to use OB plus OM of the whole line, which is OA. It is going to give us negative B plus 2/5 vector A. We are done with that part. So we have been told that AX is S of AN. We already have AN, and the BX is T of BM. We already have BM. So our work is very easy here. We need to express OX in two ways. How can one move from O all the way to X, O to X? We will follow this route. We'll move from O to A, then AX of AN. Let us move. So we are going to say it is OA plus AX of AN. What is OA? Vector A plus. What is AX? It is S of, what is AN? We already have our AN as negative A plus 4/5 vector B. We open the bracket, we have A, this is A plus minus SA, then plus 4/5 SB. So we use factorization method. We say it is A into 1 minus S plus 4/5 SB. Let's call this our first equation. Also we say OX can be expressed in this way. We move from OB then plus BX of BM. We already have our BM. So what is OB? Vector B plus, what is BX? It is T of BM. What is BM? Negative B plus 2/5 vector A. And here we have B, then minus TB, then plus 2/5 TA. Factorization method B, here we have 1 minus T plus 2/5 TA. This is our second equation. For us to be able to work out the value for S and T, then we will have to equate the two equations. That is A into 1 minus S plus 4/5 SA is equals to B into 1 minus T then plus 2 over 5 ta. The vectors, we are going to equate similar vectors. So we have a into 1 minus s then is equals to 2 over 5 ta. We do the same for b. It's going to have 4, this is supposed to be 4 sb, supposed to be b, so it is 4 over 5 sb is equals to b into 1 minus t. So the vectors are going to cancel, then we shall have now 1 minus s is equals to 1 minus s is equals to 2 over 5 t. Another one is 4 over 5 s is equals to 1 minus t. The next thing we want to call this our equation 3, and this is our equation 4. Now we are going to use either of the equations, 1 or 4, to make the subject, to make t or s the subject of the formula. I prefer we use the fourth equation and then say 4 over 5 s is equals to 1 minus t. We want to make s the subject, so we are going to multiply by the reciprocal, so these will cancel. S is equals to 5 over 4 minus 5 over 4t. This is our fifth equation. Now we substitute this fifth equation into equation 3 by saying it is 1 minus into bracket 5 over 4 minus 5 over 4t, then is equals to 2 over 5 t. We multiply, we want to open the bracket, 1 minus 5 over 4, then plus 5 over 4t is equals to 2 over 5t. Put like terms together, so this is going to give us 1 minus 4 over 5. It is going to give us negative a quarter is equals to this is 2 over 5t minus 5 over 4t. So the LCM here is 20. The LCM is 20. 5 goes here 4 times, so this is 8t. You take away 5, this is 25. So 8 take away 8. When you take away this, it will give you we have a negative a quarter is equals to this is negative 17 over 20t. So we want to find t, we multiply by the reciprocal, 20 over negative 17 times 20 over negative 17. So 4 goes to 20 how many times? 5 times. The negatives will cancel, so t is equals to 5 over 17. Now that we have our t as 5 over 17, we can go ahead and find out the value for s. We go back to the equation where we made s the subject and say that now s is going to be 5 over 4 minus 5 over 4. We multiply by 5 over 17. This one is going to give us 5 minus 5 over 4 minus 5 over 4 minus this is 25 or over 68. 25 over 68. This one is going to give us 15 over 17. So our s is equals to 15 over 17. 15 over 17, and we have calculated the value for s and t. So this is 15 over 17. But this question, we have not finished this question. Because it says that hence write OX in terms of A and B. We write OX in terms of A and B. OX in terms of A and B. Now how can you move from O all the way to X? We already have that one. The root we have, we said for one to be able to move from O all the way to X, then you will have to follow the route, which says you go to OA, then plus, you go to OA plus, that is AX of AN. What is OA? Vector A plus. What is AX? AX, in fact, is AX is S. AX is S of AN. So it is S. AX is S of AN. Our AN is, what is AN? AN is negative A plus 4 over 5, negative A plus 4 over 5 vector B, 4 over 5 vector B. So we have the value for S already. So we are going to say it is A plus 15 over 17 plus 15 over 17, 15 over 17. This is going to be, it's going to be 15 over 17, 15 over 17. Yes, my camera. 15 over 17. Then we multiply by negative A plus 4 over 5 vector B. So when you do this, you open the bracket, we have A minus 15 over 17 vector A, then plus, this is going to be 3 over, this is 3 times 4, 12, sorry, 12 over 17b. So 5 will go to 15, 3 times 4, it will give us 12. So we put like terms together, it is 17 minus 15, it is going to give us 12 over 17a, then plus 12 over 17b, and this is our final answer. Thank you so much.